In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a Webflow site. Cloning a site is a fantastic way to save time and ensure consistency across your projects. Whether you're looking to replicate a successful design or just want a similar foundation for a new project, following this straightforward process will get you there in no time. Let's dive in and take it step by step. First, you want to log into Webflow. If you've been working on Webflow before, you're probably familiar with the platform, but just in case, make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the Webflow dashboard, a home base for all of your projects. Here, you can see all of the sites you've created, presented neatly in a list or grid format. It's important to ensure you're on the right page before proceeding. Now, you need to locate the thumbnail of the site you wish to clone. Each of your projects is represented by a thumbnail on the dashboard, making it visually easier to spot the one you're targeting. Once you find the desired site, click on it to bring up its options. Here's a quick tip. Hover over the thumbnail to ensure you're clicking the right project. This will prevent any mix-ups, especially if your sites have similar designs or names. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Duplicate. Click on this, and Webflow will guide you to the next screen. This isn't just a simple duplication process. You'll have options here to fine-tune what gets copied over into the new site. At this stage, you'll be presented with some choices, including hosting settings, SEO settings, and integration settings. Consider what elements are crucial for your cloned site. If you're replicating for development purposes, for instance, you might want to include SEO settings. If it's just design you're after, you might skip that part. Once you've made your selections, it's time to make that clone official. Look for the Duplicate Site button. This is the moment your new clone is created, so make sure you're satisfied with the settings before you click. Webflow then takes care of the rest, cloning the site with your specific preferences intact. It's amazingly efficient, no manual recreations required, and you maintain the integrity of the original design and settings. By following these steps, you can effectively clone any of your Webflow sites within minutes. This method is a huge time saver and great for maintaining uniformity across different projects. Remember, whether it's for testing, building upon a great framework, or simply archiving a project, knowing how to clone a site efficiently is a valuable skill in the Webflow universe. Give it a try and see just how seamless the process is.